Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need a new oil filter, approximately 6 quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and a filter wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin. Safety first. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely raise your Jeep or slide underneath if you have enough clearance. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the old oil flow into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the oil filter, often near the front of the engine. Use a filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about an additional 3/4 of a turn. Once the old oil has fully drained, reinsert and securely tighten the drain plug. Now, it's time for the fresh oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and carefully pour in the recommended amount, typically around 6 quarts. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.